Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to go over 8.1, which is multiply fractions. Okay, I got a couple examples for you, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we want to know, all right, the cool thing about multiplying fractions is that there really isn't anything we need to do with the denominator per se. Uh, unlike adding and subtracting fractions, these do not have to be the same. So all we have to do is figure out if we can simplify the problem before we go ahead and multiply. Well, can 3 go into 8? No. Can 7 go into 8? No. There's no GCF there that we can use to simplify. Okay, so therefore cross canceling is not going to be here. So when that's the case, you're going to simply just multiply across. Okay. All right. And then we have an answer. 21, sorry, 3 times 7 is 21. And 8 times 8 is 64. Okay. Finally, we need to figure out if we can simplify this. Can we simplify this anyway? 21/64? No. So therefore, our answer is 21/64. Next, we have down here, we have 3 over 8 times 7/15. All right. Remember, we're going to look for the GCF to simplify. 7 and 8? No. However, 3 and 15 can. So we're going to cancel out. 3 can go into 15 5 times. Therefore, we cancel the 3 out. The 3 now becomes 1. Cancel the 15 out. It now becomes 5. Okay? So then we're going to go ahead and we're just going to multiply across. Okay? Because we're done cross canceling. So we got 1 times 7 equals 7. And then we have 8 times 5, which is going to give us 40. We cannot simplify that, so we are done. Okay? Next, you're going to see problems with 3 sets of fractions. Okay, so right here we have 3 over 8 times 1 over 3 times 5 over 6. So the first thing we have to do is not panic and look for if we can cross cancel anything, okay? So the first thing I see a set of 3s, okay? So we definitely can cross cancel here. So we're going to just cross cancel the 3s, all right? Boom, boom, okay? And now we can't do anything else, so therefore we just go ahead and multiply across. So you have 5 times 1, 1 times 1 is 1. Then 1 times 5 is 5. So our answer on the top, in the numerator, is going to be 5 over 1 times 8 is 8. 8 times 6, okay? 8 times 6 is 48. Okay? They cannot simplify here at all, so here's your final answer. All right. Last but not least, remember all numbers are fractions over 1, and all numbers are decimals. Okay. So in reality, this really says this. Okay. So same thing. Look for the GCF so we can simplify. We know 3 can go into 9 3 times. So this now turns into 1. This turns into 3. And now we multiply across. So now we have 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is now 3, and we cannot simplify anymore. So there we go. And that's how we go about multiplying fractions.